What's up guys, you're watching another video. We're starting the vlog super late right now. It is 9 p.m. if it focuses. 9 p.m. bro, we're starting the vlog. I don't know where we're getting into tonight, but a couple homies hit me up today. Am I vlogging for you too? A couple homies hit me up today and they said they're gonna go cruise tonight. I don't know. What the? I don't know, mess around, shoot some flames. The homie has a crazy ass Mustang and it shoots insane flames, bro. Flames bigger than my GTR. So I don't know what we're doing. We have no plans, but we're gonna make a vlog somehow. Make some content somehow. Let's go.
He basically said what I was gonna say. So yeah guys, we're continuing from what Nick said.
Alright guys, we made it. We met up with all the homies. Everybody is in Mustangs. We got a 5.0, 5.0, and another 5.0 behind us. Also E36, which is pretty sick. Look at that. I guess we're about to go to this like little warehouse or something. I don't know. We're gonna watch a Ferrari drift. That's all I heard. So I hear Ferrari and I hear drift. Let's do it. I'm down. Bro, look at the homies' flames, bro. These flames are actually insane.
There's no way.
It has to be the craziest flames I've ever seen on a car, bro. How is that possible, bro?
What the fuck? Bro, his car's gonna catch on fire.
I'm gonna catch on fire. That was gonna catch my car on fire.
There's no way that's...
See?
What the...
Bro, his car's so loud.
Look at that shit, bro.
This shit's really on fire.
Bro! That shit did not turn off! I thought his car was on fire.
Cop? Oh yeah, look at it. What did he get? Nothing to see here, sir. Bro, imagine you just jump back into the flames right next to him, the Mustang. Those flames were insane, but I didn't even notice. I think it's a Shelby on. It's not even a regular Mustang. We should have raced them. These guys are crazy. Alright, I don't know where we are, but we're at location number 1.
We're insane.
Your flames are insane, bro. I don't know how your engine's not blown up yet. But we got an Aventador. Sick. And we got a Ferrari. Damn, that shit is beautiful, bro. This shit is sick. Red interior. Sheesh. You'll take it?
Yeah, I'll take
This is sick ass lighting, bro. What's up, puppy?
Yeah, look
Hi,
at
puppy.
He's so happy.
That's Chop from GTA 5.
What's up, man? How you
buddy?
doing?
What's up, buddy? You're a big
Straight
dog,
out of
bro.
GTA 5.
That's my dog right there.
So last time they were doing donuts in here, guys. It's pretty crazy.
You can still see them.
That's sick.
If you want, I can send you. If you want, I can send you a clip.
Yeah, I want to see a
All
clip.
right, guys,
later.
watch this.
Add clip now.
So yeah, I missed out. I was supposed to come that day, but I didn't, bro. I was at
Because you want to
home.
know why? Because you're antisocial.
I was antisocial, guys. Aventador, bro. This thing shoots crazy flames too. I heard. Everybody shoots flames today. What the heck? And guys, I didn't even know. Look, that's a Shelby. It's not even a 5.0. We should race him on the way home. Guys, it's actually an M3. E36 M3. 4-door, which is pretty sick with the roll cage. Look at the interior.
I knew he was having fun driving this thing, bro.
That would be pretty fun, huh? That's a full-on race car right there.
Supercharged.
Is it really? Yeah. What?
They only had it out for maybe like
Damn.
not even 2 years, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Wiped everything off the internet. You can't see. There's no
crazy.
videos. There's no
Really?
no evidence. Nothing of the supercharger. So it's like a ultra rare.
It's clean.
Yeah.
It's so nice too.
Thanks, dude.
That's crazy.
It's so fun. I bet you it's so fun to drive.
I know.
It's so light.
I used to have one.
Lighting it.
Stick, really?
And I sold it, bro. I don't know why I sold it. I'm so
Oh,
stupid.
dude.
It was a
I would
Hell
never
Rot.
sell it. I would always put it away and like.
I know, I'm so dumb, bro. It was a Hell Rot red one, too.
Ooh, nice.
2-door.
It's fun, but
The
it's
roll
just the thing's
cage.
so fun on the track.
Yeah, I
It's
bet.
most fun. I mean, on the freeway, it's not a freeway car. It's just an M3, but
Yeah.
on the track, it's mental.
Yeah, this thing's probably so fun on the racetrack, bro. And he has the wing, bro. I've always wanted the wing, and I never did it. Hopefully we can see somebody do donuts. They said they wanted to do donuts in the Ferrari. Whoever that is,
Awesome.
they're
Shit,
crazy.
right now. Give me the keys.
I'll do. Give me the keys too. Give me the keys to this. I'll do it. Hopefully they don't crash it. into a wall. Bro, this Ferrari sounds crazy. I just heard it start. God damn. The Ferrari's about to do some donuts, guys. This is what we came here for. It's gonna be sick. This is such a random night, bro, but these are the nights that are dope. Like just random activities that no plans. You just pull up and make some content. That's literally what everyone's doing right now. Just make some content. Always close to the truck. That's a 488, I think. That's the newer one, bro. I think they're turboed. I don't want to get hit, guys.
Well, guess what? You are.
I don't want to be the next Instagram viral video.
Yeah, look at you with your iPhone 14.
You guys see FindingNick in the air over there.
So you say that every single time you see someone swing.
I hear police sirens. I feel like a cop's about to pass any second. Look. I knew it, bro. I knew it. Oh, there's another one. Oh, shit. I'm way back here, bro.
Did anyone get that part on video?
I did not think he was gonna redline it like that, bro. It sounded crazy. Bro, I got hit by rocks. Did you?
Yeah, smart.
I got smacked by a big ass rock. Guys, look at the tire marks. That is crazy, bro. Right now, Mustang's about to go next. The Shelby, actually. This thing has hella power, like crazy power. That Ferrari actually went in, bro. He actually full sent it. Like, he didn't just do one little donut. That fool went ham, bro. Look at the freaking tire marks. It sounded sick. I'm for sure hiding behind something.
GT500 or GT350?
I don't know. I think it's a 500.
Honestly, record this. With the Mustang, get high ground.
I'm so scared, bro. I don't know where to go, bro. I want to go behind here, bro.
I got behind the pole.
Bro, I thought Hugo was gone right now. That thing is loud, bro.
I swear I thought I was dead.
That shit got power. You can like see it, bro. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. If you guys are, smash the like button. Smash the like button on this video, guys. If you guys want If you guys want to see more crazy stuff like this every night, I gotta kick it with these guys more often, huh? God damn, that shit is fast, bro. Oh my god, bro. Alright guys, we're about to do. I'm gonna blind you though.
No, you'll be good.
You can't even see with the flash. Oh, Look, he makes me want to get a Mustang. This is insane, bro. I feel like this is the content that the people want to see.
There's no
And I'm not
way.
filming it. Do we gotta do this more often, guys? Look at the whole street.
They blessed it.
Yeah, they blessed the block.
They blessed the block.
Alright, your turn, you go. Get 392.
Let's bring the GTO right now.
Oh, random ass night, but it was lit. We're trying to set up the thumbnail right now, guys. This is the behind the scenes. I'm allowing him to burn my GTR, but that's the thumbnail. Mustang almost catches my GTR on fire. Or something, I don't know. We're gonna see how this, we're gonna be doing this somehow. What if he actually lights the car on fire, bro? Okay. Should burn my front bumper a little bit, huh?
That shit's hot.
Imagine the whole wrap catches fire. Alright guys, we're about to go on a little cruise home.
That shit looks crazy. They're literally like on the floor, bro. Bro, the 36 is quick, bro. No way. No way.
Oh my god, bro.
No way.
Bro.
Where's he pulling over? I got it all on camera.
Bro! You saw me take off!
Yes.
Oh my god, I had a ditch up, bro. I'm not going out. Who's he going after? The Aventador?
I think he scared all of them.
You trying to scare us? I spit up on them. Bro, we got on the freeway? Bro, what happened, bro?
Dude, where are you at?
I went to the other exit because I just got scared.
Oh, okay. Cop didn't pull anyone over, but he's, I think he's getting the beaver. I can't see. Yeah.
That sucks.
No way. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know if you guys seen, but right when we got on the on-ramp, everybody just started smashing, bro. Like, everybody was just going fast. And
Bro.
Nick took off, bro. We took off. Like,
No.
and then next thing you know,
dropped,
bro, the lights, I seen the cop lights turn on. I was like looking at the signs and I was like, wait, there's a cop, bro, with the lights on. And it was right behind us, bro.
I thought it was me, bro. No. Bro, I was the one in the back.
Yes.
I'm shaking, bro. I look at my mirror and it was like deja vu. Back in Fresno.
I really thought we were fucked.
I thought it was
Dale.
us. I was like, nope, it's us for sure.
I was about to tell Nick, just dip.
Bro, honestly, I was about to.
Oh my god, bro, we really got out of that one. It's called one of the homies and they're saying that they pulled over the E36. Oh man, that sucks, bro.
Bro, I can't believe that happened. This is the craziest vlog ever.
That's what I'm saying.
We can make this 2 videos.
Yes, that's what I was telling you.
I dropped a gear and I went all the way from the first lane all the other lane. I'm like, oh, I'm not stopping.
Yeah, it was crazy.
There's no way I was stopping. There's no fucking way. Because I was like, dude, there's too many of us. I'm like,
Yeah.
someone's gonna pull over. And
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah, I was not gonna. To see you take off, and I'm like, oh
Dude, I was planted. I was going so fuck. I was going 160 around all those corners and everything. I was like, I was like, oh fuck.
Your neighbor is yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
Bro,
You like it or what?
this is cool.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
You got a GTR.
That's just crazy, huh?
Why you seem like this shit ain't nothing to you?
No, it is crazy. It's crazy.
GTR, he like, yeah. You got a GTR.
I know, bro. It's crazy.
GTR.
We just ran from the cops right now, bro. My boy was hyped on the GTR.
Hey, straight up. Hey, I grew up playing Need for Speed on a PC as a little kid, and like it's just the weirdest thing. How like just evolves into what.
Now you're doing it
now,
in real life.
You don't realize it, but you're doing what you were doing on the PC. Now we're like we're fucking with cops. It's
Yeah, we had like 3 stars.
like,
in
you
it.
gotta be careful.
I was in the back, bro. I thought I was gonna get pulled over, but thankfully no one got pulled over. Look, we're still here. We're not home yet though, but
Not yet.
but thank God we didn't get pulled over. This close, guys, to getting pulled over. He was right behind me. Not tonight. Thankfully. Damn.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.